Hi guys, and welcome to my new video. It's a snowy winter day outside. As you can see, I'm in my car right now, and I wanted to show you a fuel consumption on BMW E60 520i. This is a pre-facelift model. It has a inline 6 motor inside, and it produces around 170 horsepower. And I wanted to show you the fuel consumption since there is a lot of variations when it comes to this engine and this car. So let me go ahead and switch it here on the board computer. As you can see, this is my coded digital speedometer. It's really helpful when driving, so you know when exactly at what speed are you going. And it was coded through the Beamer code application. It's a 5 minute of work. Let me go ahead and switch it to the fuel consumption so we can talk about it. I'm near the reserve right now. So as you can see, fuel consumption, at least shown here on the board computer, for the last 100 kilometers is 10.3 liters of petrol. And when I go here, it shows the same. 10.3 liters per last 100 kilometers. And maybe someone will say that this is a low fuel consumption for this model and this engine, but it is because I'm rocking 16-inch rims with the really fat tire, and I'm going to show you right now. Just a second, please. Whoa. You see the tires that I have on right now are the winter ones, and these are 16-inch rims. Let me try to find it. It's, as you can see it here, it's an upside down, but 16-inch rims, 225/55 tires. And it's really useful to have smaller rims when it comes to the fuel consumption, because it will be lower. And this spring I'm planning on getting the 18 or 19-inch rims, so I will record an update to this video and compare the fuel consumption with those rims and with these ones. It's bearable, although the prices of petrol are high right now everywhere in the world pretty much. But I will compare it to this, and please take note that it is a winter, and when it's the summer, the fuel consumption goes from 9 liters to 9.5, so 1 liter more in winter. And that is it, guys. I just wanted to record this video for anyone who's maybe planning to buy a car with this engine. And this is an E60. I have to turn, I just got an error. Okay. I had turned the car on because it was showing me a battery fault. It's all good now. I was rocking the seat heater while it was on idle, so I mean, it wasn't on idle, but it was on the ignition position 3. So I recorded this video for anyone who is wondering about the fuel consumption of this engine, and I showed you in this particular model it's 10.3 during the winter, and maybe let's say 9.3, a liter less in the summer days, and it's bearable. Also, the weight of this model, I think it's a little over 1,500 kilograms, and I know that there is a lot of E60s, depending on the engine and depending on whether it's rear-wheel drive or four-wheel drive, and there's a lot of variations when it comes to the weight. So just wanted to let you know that this car weighs a little above 1,500 kilograms. And that is going to be it for this video, guys. Please leave a like down below if you like the content that I produce. You can smash that subscribe button also, and until the next one, goodbye.